welcome. Thank you for being here, and thank you for being. I'm Ram. You're very welcome to meditate with me. Last time on Meditate with Ram, we deepened our breath together. Today, let's turn inward into the body, into quiet wisdom and the deliciousness of being embodied. Let's begin by settling softly into our posture. Letting the body find its shape. Not rigid, not collapsed, dignified. If it is available, then letting the spine rise like a mountain, rooted in the earth, reaching towards the sky. Often an area that holds tension, so relaxing the shoulders, letting the hands rest on your lap or beside you. And if you wish, gently closing the eyes, or just softening your gaze, whatever is comfortable. Maybe letting light filter in gently under the eyelids. Arriving in presence, arriving with kindness. Beginning by noticing the breath. Savoring the exquisite rhythm of each breath. And so our attention is like a spotlight. We can focus it and move it around the body. So bringing attention now to the crown of the head. Simply noticing at the crown of our head. No need to change anything. Just sensing what's going on. Perhaps a sensation of warmth or coolness. Maybe there is a tingling sensation here. Or maybe nothing at all, that's okay. Simply bringing attention to the crown of the head, where all sensations are welcome. And it can be helpful to imagine the sensation of melting vegan butter, or maybe imagining this area of our body melting into light. Feeling sensation in the forehead and temples. Imagining tension melting away. Letting awareness drift slowly down to the eyes. This area around the eyes, and allowing the eyes to fall back into the sockets. Noticing sensation in the cheek, softening, imagining melting and imagining light. Letting the jaw loosen, the tongue rests gently in the mouth. Not doing anything, just noticing with curiosity. And yes, the mind may wander. That's perfectly okay. When we notice it has strayed, guiding it back to the body, to this moment, to the sensation right now. Moving awareness to the neck and shoulders, places that often carry the weight of our day. Feeling whether we can offer kindness to this area. Imagining this area melting. Letting the awareness move down our arms, our upper arms, elbows, our forearms, wrists, into our hands, and finally into our fingers, noticing sensation. Maybe noticing a tingling sensation in the fingers. Bringing full awareness to our hands. Noticing the stillness of our body. And sitting here for a while with the spotlight of attention. Moving awareness to the chest, feeling the breath move through this space, the rise and the fall. This quiet rhythm of being alive. Noticing the expansion of the ribcage with curiosity. Moving to the belly, soft, spacious, letting it be as it is. Noticing the belly filling with air as we breathe. And now our back, our upper back, noticing any tension. Our middle back. Imagining softening. Our lower back, letting the breath touch these places gently, almost as though we are breathing air into this space. down to the hips and the pelvis. Maybe feeling grounded, maybe feeling supported. Now the legs, thighs, knees, maybe noticing the sensation of our clothes or contact. Maybe feeling the sensation of air against our skin. Moving this spotlight of awareness to our calves, our ankles. Imagining melting into light. And finally the feet. Each toe, if we can, focusing that spotlight beam of attention. Maybe feeling tingling. Maybe feeling each and every point of contact with the ground. Maybe now bringing awareness back to the sensation of the breath. We have scanned the whole body with awareness. We have brought consciousness to every cell. Now let's rest in the body as a whole. Imagining the whole body transformed into light, held in breath, fully present, letting ourselves be here just as we are. Maybe now spending a moment to notice the space that we have touched within, noticing stillness. And we should dedicate this energy with a quiet wish. Today may I listen to my body with kindness. Today may I listen to my body with kindness. Thank you for joining me, for scanning the body with me. Letting our body now awaken slowly, allowing the body to do whatever it needs to do, stretching, shifting, and very slowly, when you're ready, allowing the eyes to open softly. And so if this session has supported you, then please feel free to subscribe or visit my Patreon, all linked in the description. This channel is all rather new, and maybe you will be my first supporter. Until next time, go well in peace.